Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Andi Rajuan Nurhasanah Al-Aidid. Just call me Asa. I'm a first semester student at 11 March University with majoring English department or English literature. So now I want to explain to you a phonetic symbol from vowel sound of IPA or International Phonetic Alphabet that I have learned from my lecture of pronunciations. What is vowel sounds? A vowel sound is a speech sound that is pronounced without the lips, tongue, teeth, or throat blocking the air produced when uttering the letter. According to the Oxford Learns Dictionary, a vowel sound is a speech sound in which the mouth is open and the tongue is not touching the top of the mouth. Okay, first symbol is this symbol. The sound of this symbol is A. This symbol is the open mid-back unrounded vowels. I will give examples of the words son, uncle, brother. Okay, let me give you examples of the sentence. My mother, brothers, my uncle, sons, my cousins. A is a short vowel sound pronounced with the jaw made to open, the tongue central or slightly back, and the lips are relaxed. A is one of more difficult vowel sounds for many second language learners of English to acquire. There are two reasons for this. Firstly, its mouth position is similar to two other sounds, so they need to be clearly distinguished. Secondly, many words pronounced with A contain the same spellings as words pronounced with different rounded vowel sounds. Okay, let's move to the second symbol. The second symbol is this symbol. The sound of this symbol is R. If you see colon, you have to lengthen the sounds. R. Okay, let me give examples of the words car, park, heart. Okay, this is the open front unrounded vowels. Let me give you example of the sentence. It's hard to park a car in the dark car park. It's hard to park a car in the dark car park. To pronounce the A sounds, lower your jaw and tongue, opening your mouth wide and keeping your lips relaxed. It is a long voice sound, so you should vibrate your vocal cords while making the sounds. Okay friends, so those are the two phonetic symbols from IPA or International Phonetic Alphabet from vowel sounds that I have learned from my lecture. So if you see this symbol, you just say you don't have to lengthen the sounds. But if you see this symbol, because there is colon, you have to lengthen the sounds. This symbol is open mid-back unrounded vowels, but this symbol is open front unrounded vowels. Don't forget to try and thank you so much. Bye bye.